In a world where generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Board are changing how people search for information, your content may be getting more attention than you'd think. But how do you tell if AI tools are referencing your website and, importantly, driving real traffic to it? At Brandastic, we're breaking down how to track AI referred traffic in GA4, what it tells you, and why it's a growing opportunity for your marketing strategy. So let's start with the basics. AI-generated traffic is when users interact with generative AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini. They give answers that include links to your site, and then the users typically click on it. Well, in some cases, AI links directly to your blog or product pages. In other times, users might copy and paste your URL from an AI response. Either way, those visitors show up in GA4 as long as you know where to look. If you're seeing traffic in your analytics labeled as direct or from unfamiliar referrals, you might be missing an important signal. AI is reshaping how people discover your content. Tracking AI referred traffic helps you identify what content is valuable enough to be referenced by these platforms. It also helps you optimize for conversational search, a growing trend that's very different from traditional SEO. AI doesn't just grab keywords, it looks for helpful structure and conversational content. If your site shows up in these responses, it means you're doing something right. Here's how to start identifying AI referred traffic in GA4. Step 1, go to Reports, Acquisition, Traffic Acquisition. Step number 2 is filter by sessions and source medium. Step 3, look for unusual sources like referral chat.openai.com or referralboard.google.com. So if you're seeing these, it's a strong indicator that a user found your site through an AI tool. And here's a pro tip. You want to set up a custom channel group for GA4 just for AI traffic. That way you can track all in one place instead of digging through your reports every day or every month. Once you're tracking AI traffic, the next step is using that data to guide your strategy. You'll start by uncovering key insights like which blog posts or pages are being referenced most by these AI tools. There are high performers that you're going to want to double down on. Which topics AI friendly and worth expanding? This could mean repurposing the content into QA formats or longer guides. How to write for AI and people at the same time. Think clear, structured answers with natural conversation flow. And where you can improve clarity, formatting, and internal linking. Small tweaks that can make the content even more discoverable by the bots and humans. With the right tracking in place, these insights help shape not just the next post, but your entire digital content strategy. As generative AI continues to evolve, so will the way users find and engage with your brand. Tracking AI referred traffic gives you clarity, insight, and a serious edge. Need help unlocking your AI data and using it to grow? Hey, let's talk. At Brandastic, we're turning insight into impact. Follow and subscribe for more digital marketing insights.